Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
So we have already showed all the steps that how we can install or download TubeBuddy on our Chrome browser and how we can sign in with our channel, with our YouTube channel. And now I will show you why I have installed this TubeBuddy and why I have signed it with our channel. So this is our VDIT domain channel, and before that let me search for Canva tutorial, and when I have searched for Canva tutorial it will redirect me into this page, and I'm clicking on this first video, and let's see what it will show. Mm, so now see the magic. This is our video, and you can see, if you scroll down you can see that we can see this channel views, this channel views, comments, likes, their SEO score, their ranked tags. For watch this ranked tags you need to click, and it will show you. Okay, they have two ranked tags. Also you can see their views, their subscribers, their videos, and those things. And finally you can see they are all tags, keywords, right? This is how you can see others channels, others videos, high ranked keywords, and you can take these tags. For that, you need to copy them, and you can copy to clipboard. Before that, I need to show you that with this high rank tag, you need to complete this section also for your videos. That is high resolution thumbnail, info cards added, and screen added, comment pinned, liked on Facebook, caption added, comment hearted, chapters added. I will show you every steps that how we can add our thumbnail, info card, and screen and comment pin, those things. Before that, let me show you that how we can add this SEO. I mean to say this tags. So let's see for again Canva tutorial. We have opened this one. You can see there are lots of tutorials. You can go with which one is high rank, with high rank and those things. So if I click this one, complete Canva tutorial, let's see what's the SEO score of this video. We need to search, and we need to compare all of the videos, that which videos ranking is high. You can see this one is also SEO score 100, right? So click to load, and it will show the ranking keyword. You can see that 22 ranked keywords, ranked tags. But previous video we watched that they have SEO score 100 but ranked keyword was only 2. That means this one is better, right? So going to here, you can see they have lots of high ranked keywords, right? So we will take these tags. For that you need to copy, copy to clipboard, and then moving to our channel. First, I have signed in with our TubeBuddy, with our channel, YouTube channel, and then I have compared all these keywords and tags with different videos. Now, I have copied that which one is with high ranked tags and moving to our channel, and now I need to add this all of these things with our videos. Going to our video section, and on our channel you will get all of the best courses for digital marketing and for Canva tutorial, automation testing, and those things. So visit our page, visit our channel, subscribe our channel, and learn everything easily. So this is easy logo design with Canva. So I'm going with this one. With this video, I have clicked our video and I have already copied those tags, right? You can see customize your logo like a pro with Canva's user-friendly tools, right? So now you will see that our SEO score is only 5. There is no ranked tags, right? Now I have added high resolution thumbnail but and caption added, but I didn't add these info cards and screen comment light and those things. So to see these all things, that how I can add all of these tags and this section, for that you need to keep an eyes on our channel, and I will show it on our next video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.